we headed into the new year, we were greeted by a major snowstorm on January 4th. We want to shout out to Allison and Michelle Rose for getting us some fun footage of the storm in their neighborhood.
Hey everyone, it's January 4th and I'm out here with my friends Larry and Ralph. They don't say much, but we're out here in the snow having a grand old time in the first blizzard of January of 2018. It's really nice out. The snow's still coming down. I don't know how much is on the ground as of right this second, but yeah, it's pretty nice out. It's not too cold and it's a lot of fun. Hopefully everyone got out and played in the snow today.
I know I stayed nice and warm inside, so thank you, Alice and Michelle, for sharing your version of the snowstorm with us.